In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method from Amazon Prime. This process is straightforward, and I will guide you through each step in detail. You will see how easy it is to manage your payment options effectively. By the end, you will feel confident in updating your account. First, open the Amazon app or website and sign into the account linked to your Prime membership. You'll see the familiar Amazon homepage with various categories and deals displayed prominently. If you are using the app, the layout might be slightly different, but the steps remain the same. Signing in is crucial because it ensures you have access to your specific account settings. If you encounter any issues while logging in, make sure your credentials are correct. Once logged in, you are ready to manage your payment methods. Next, go to Account and Lists and select your account. On the website, you will find these options in the upper right corner. In the app, look for the menu icon, which might be represented by 3 lines. Clicking on your account will take you to a page filled with several options related to your account management. This section is essential because it houses all the tools you need to manage your Prime membership and payment methods. You will feel a sense of control as you navigate this part of your account. From there, click on your Payments or Payment Options. You will be directed to a page that displays all your saved payment methods. This might include credit cards, debit cards, or bank accounts associated with your Amazon account. It is important to review this list regularly to keep your payment information current and secure. If you see any outdated methods, now is the time to remove them. You can easily manage your payment methods from here, ensuring a smooth checkout experience for future purchases. Now select the credit card, debit card, or bank account that you want to remove. Take a moment to look through the options presented on your screen. Each payment method will be listed clearly, often with the last 4 digits visible for easy identification. Choosing the correct payment method is vital, as you want to ensure you are only removing what is necessary. Once you identify the method you wish to delete, you are one step closer to decluttering your payment options. After that, click Edit or Remove from Wallet. This action will prompt you with options to either edit your payment details or remove the selected method entirely. Clicking Remove will initiate the deletion process. It is reassuring to know that this step allows you to keep your account organized. You may want to edit details if you are only updating your card, but if you're removing it, this is the right choice. Then confirm that you want to delete the payment method. A confirmation message will typically appear, asking you to verify your decision. This step is crucial because it ensures you really want to proceed with the removal. Once confirmed, Amazon will update your account and the payment method will be removed from your Amazon wallet. Remember, removing a payment method from this section also affects your Prime membership. A few things to keep in mind: removing a card does not change the payment method for orders that have already been placed. This means that any pending transactions will still process using the current payment method. If your Prime or Prime Video subscription was purchased through Apple, Google Play, or another third party, you must remove the payment method through that service instead of Amazon. This distinction is important as it saves you from confusion down the line. Lastly, Amazon may require at least one valid payment method on your account if you have active subscriptions or recurring payments. This ensures that your subscriptions remain active and uninterrupted. Having a valid payment method is crucial for maintaining access to your Prime benefits. Now that you understand the process, you can confidently manage your payment methods on Amazon.